Yes, good morning children. In the previous class, we understood the 5-digit numbers. Next, in this class, we have to understand the 6-digit numbers. Okay? Which is the largest 5-digit number? Yes, 99,999. It is the largest 5-digit number. To get smallest 6-digit number, what should we do? Yes, you know that. Plus 1. Add 1 with this number. Look here, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry the 1 to here. Again, 9 plus 1, 10. Again, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry the 1 to here. 9 plus 1, 10. Then carry the 1 to here. Again, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, now our number is, can you read? It is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Let us arrange this number in a place value chart. Okay, are you ready? First, as you know, in our place value chart, first start from right side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Then we have reached at lakh. So lakh. Arrange the digits. 0 ones, then 0 tens, 0 hundreds, 0 thousand, then 0 10,000 and 1 lakh. Okay, did you get it? Now I am going to give one more number. For example, 5,72,641. How many digits are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How can we arrange? 1, 1, 4 tens, 6 hundreds, 2,000, 7 10,000 and 5 lakh. Let us arrange this number in our place value chart. Okay, how many ones? Only 1. Then 4, 6, 2, 7 and 5. Children, what should we do to read and write a figure very easily? Yes, we have to separate as periods. How can we? Yes, you know. Yes, leader 1. So, 1's period. Then here, thousands period. Now, one more period is there. What is that? Lakhs period. L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. Read. L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. Lakh is spelling L-A-K-H. Okay. Now, we can read it very easily. Look here. 5 lakhs, 72,641. Okay, so let us write the number name. How can we write? Yes, you can see 5 lakh, 5 lakhs. How many thousands are there? It is already lakhs period. Next, thousands period. How many thousands? 72 thousands. 72 thousand. Then what is remained there? Ones. How many? 641. 600 and 41. 40 spelling? Yes, F-O-R-T-Y, 41. Okay. How can we separate using comma? Yes, 1, 2, 3 means one's period. Before one's period there is a comma. Then after that thousands period. 1, 2 thousands period there is a comma. It is 5. How can we read it? 5,72,641. Okay. Next we are going to write the 6-digit numbers on the abacus. How can we represent this number on abacus? First, let us give the digits. First, what is written here? 6. Next, 5. Next, 1, 8, 4, 3. Okay, as you know, on the line of 6 means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and it is lakh. Okay. 4. To show 6 ones, we should give 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to show 5 tens, give 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, to show 100, give 1 bead. Next, to 8,000, 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. To show 10,000 means 40,000. 4 beads. And to show 3 lakh, we need 3 beads. How can we read? 3 lakh 48,156. Okay, you can see an activity on your page number 91. Let us do. First, 7,83,425. Write the digit, only digit as per the given instructions. Okay. Children, you should listen here. In between each period, we have to leave a little gap. Here you can see and also here I have given a little gap. Okay, let us do the work. What is written here? Hundreds place, which is here we have to write only the digit. In hundreds place, which is the digit? Check. Ones, tens, hundreds, which is the digit? Okay, you should write only the digit here, 4. Next, second, lakhs place, which is that digit? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Check the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. How many lakhs are there? 7 lakhs. So only the digit 7. Next, tens place, which is the digit? Ones, tens, 2 tens. Then at ones place, yes, 5 ones. So which is that digit? 5. Okay. Next, write the number. What is written here? 100 more than 7,52,607. What should we do to get the number? Yes, 100 more than this number, no? So, yes, we should add 100 with this number. Okay, let us do 7,52,607 plus 100. Where should we write? Yes, 0, 0, 1, 100. Can we write the 100 here? No. Only under the hundreds, you should write the 100. Look here, 7 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, then 2, 5, 7. That is 7,52,707. It is our answer. Next, second, that is also same to this first one. You should do that. That is homework. Okay, can you do? Yes, you can. Okay, let us write the expanded form of this number. How can we do that? It is an easy method. First, the place value of 2. You can see it is 2 ones, no? So 2 into 1. 2 ones are, yes, 2 ones are 2. Next, children, you should remember this thing. We have to start from right side to left side. Okay. So next, 7 tens on. 7 tens on. Yes, 70. Here you can see under ones, only ones. Then after that we can write the tens digit. Okay. Next, 6 into 100. 6 into 100. 600s. Okay, 600. Look here. Okay. It should be in line. Next, the place value of 8. 8 into 1000. TH for 1000. 8 into 1000. 8,000. You should write 8 here. Then the 3 zeros. Next, 9 10,000. 9 into 10,000. Yes, 9 into 10, 90. Then into 1000, 90,000. 90, then 1000. Next, 3 into lakh. Yes, you know, 3 lakh. 3 into lakh, 3 lakh. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. Now, let us write the expanded form very easily. Look here, first we have to start from last line. 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 lakh plus next 90,000, 90,000. Then plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus S 2. It is the expanded form of this 6-digit number. Can you get it? Okay. Take your book, page number 98, exercise 2.1. Okay, first question number 8. Write the number shown on each abacus. Here we can see an abacus. We have to give the number. Children, you can see How many spikes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes are there. Then under each spike we have to write the number. How many beads are there? Yes, there is only one bead, so we should give 1. Next, how many beads are there under tens? Yes, 3 beads. Next, under 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are there. So we can write 6. Then under 1000 there are 2 beads. You should write 2. Then under 10,000 there are 4 beads. Now we found the number. Okay, let us write which is the number. Yes, 42,631. It is our answer. 2 and 3 are reminder. You have to do that. It is for homework. 2 and 3 you should do that. Okay. Our next exercise, it is to mark the periods using commas and write the numbers in words. First we have to mark the periods using commas. As you know, first what should we do? We should make a place value chart. Okay, first in ones period, as you know, there are 3 digits: ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Children, which is the next period? Yes, thousands period. Thousands period. Next, yes, lakhs period. Okay. Here we can see ones period there are 3 digits. In thousands period there are 2 digits. Then for lakhs, in thousands period which are they? 10,000 and 1,000. Okay, and lakhs period. First ones period. How many digits are there? Yes, count from right side. 1, 2, 3 digits are. So we can give a comma here. Here now we can read it very easily. 81,576. Okay. So now we have already given the comma. Next, what is the next word? Yes, we have to write the number in words. Okay, first how can we read it? 81,000. So write 80. 80 spelling EIGHT. thousands. 81 thousands means 81 thousands and 576. No? So 81 thousands. 81,000, then 576, 576. Okay, children, you should write this work in your copy. Okay, second, it is the number. First we have to arrange the digits in the place value chart. How many ones are there? 0 ones, then 110, 0 100, 0 1000 and 1 10,000. Children, how can we read it? Yes, under 1,000, 10,000. Then here only 10. There is no 100. So first let us give comma before 3 digits. First count from right side. 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits we can give the comma. Now, how many thousands are there? 10,000. And what is remained then? Only 10. There is no 100. So, 10,000 10,000 and 10 only. Okay. Can you get it? Okay. For homework 3 and 5 you should do. Now I am going to give the fourth one. Here first let us arrange the digits in the place value chart. How many ones are there? 5 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundreds, 7,000, 3 10,000 and 4 lakhs. Okay. How can we give the comma? Yes. Before 3 digits. Count from right side. 1, 2, 3. Here we can give a comma. Then after that, in thousands period, how many digits are there? Only 2 digits. So, before 2 digits, then 4 lakh. Okay. How can we read it? 4 lakh 37,000 and 5. Say 4 lakhs. Under lakhs only 4, no? So 4 lakhs. How many thousands are there? 37,000 and 5. There is no hundreds and no 10. Okay. Let us write the number name. 4 lakh 37,000 and what is remaining there? Only 5 and 5. Children, let us do the remainder exercises in the next class. Okay.